Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you for this coming week's weekly horoscope, weekly forecast. Now we're going to talk about Taurus. Taurus, this particular week is a week you'll be extremely busy. Taurus, this particular week is a week you'll be running around. But may I offer you advice? If you're dealing with any legal matter, you have to be extra careful. If you're dealing with authorities, decision makers, any kind of investigation, tax, VAT, court, you have to be extraordinarily careful. Taurus, within a week, there will be a change in your profession, and that change will offer you dignified opportunities. Within a week, within this week, there will be a base for the change. At the same time, you have to put a lot of efforts on your presentation, on your words, on your conduct. You have to make sure you know what you're doing. There are a lot of opportunities, professional opportunities, financial opportunities, but all depend how you dealing with those opportunities with your karma, with your action. Sometimes health-wise, there are a lot of issues linked with lower abdomen. Sometimes there are insecurities or uncertainties. But those insecurities, uncertainties can be resolved, but with your action. But we have to be very careful whenever you're dealing with any matter related to your professional decision. If you want to make a huge change in your job, you can make that changes. There will be a team project or joint venture project, or you'll be dealing with multiple people at the same time. That particular project can take you somewhere in a very dignified position. There will be a rising in your flow of income. At the same time, you have to top up your efforts all the time. There will be a lot of undergo considerable amount of struggle, but that struggle will convert into sweet success. Try not to take every delay, every obstacle, every struggle to your heart and thinking in a negative way. You have to be very positive. You have to be very direct. You have to be very hardcore focused at this particular point. Then success will be there. Whatever you do, don't do anything which can jeopardize. Whatever you do, try not to involve yourself in any action which you can't justify legally. So legally, you have to be on the correct path. This particular week is a week you have to look after your health. Any sharp pain in your chest or tummy, please do consult your doctor. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscopes. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe for more contents, including monthly, yearly, lot of astrological contents for the coming year for 2015. Jupiter's effect, Saturn's effect, Rahu's effect, Ketu's transit, and a lot of astrological topics which we are covering in this coming year. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like, and also if you have any comments, suggestions, questions about yourself regarding our forecast, or you want to have a consultation, please first become a subscriber, then send me an email that I can offer you a consultation. And please leave me your comments below. I'll be happy to respond. Good luck. Look after yourself and look after your family members. Bye-bye.